Okay guys, so I just got this computer from someone for repair. So I'm just going to do a repair here. But I actually just wanted to get this on video, make sure that it fires up. Supposedly shuts down on its own after a while. Oh yeah. So these guys. Okay, so before I go doing anything, if you look here, the video card is missing one of the screws. We'll just tighten this up a bit. That's all loose, so just wondering if that has anything to do with it. But we'll find out in a minute. Anywho, so yeah, so I could just get throw a screw into it. Okay guys, so I just fired it back up after doing that screw. Guess it helps if I plug a video card in. Okay, so it is going to Windows. I don't know if I'll be able to show you the desktop because I understand that his son's gay. And I've never fired this thing up yet, so I don't know what's on his desktop. So, yeah, I'll show you what I believe is wrong in a second. Once it goes into Windows here. I don't like the look of the white background. Oh, I hope there's no picture. Okay, so, oh, there's some Norton antivirus stuff. Anywho, what the guy has said about this computer is that it starts up no problem, it runs for a little while, and then it shuts down. And so I think I know the reason for it. Let's get a little... Okay, this fan is like barely spinning. I believe the bearings are gone in it. Do I have something I can... Yeah, there you go. Push on it with that. Speeds up when I push on it. So, I'm going to say that the bearings are shot in it. So I'll have to replace that. It's a garbage fan anyways. Who's that made by? Never even heard of them. But yeah, the heatsink's starting to warm up on it. Power supply looks alright. Video card's not doing too bad yet. But yeah, so this should be fairly easy to fix. Like I said, it's in Windows. I'm glad it's only a white background. It's a bonus. But yeah, so I think what I might end up doing here, got my new AMD heatsink here, so I'm probably just gonna swap that fan because I don't want to give him the heatsink. Oh, perfect. No, it wouldn't even fit anyways. Awesome, just the way I like it. So, oh! No! Oh, I'm blind! I'm blind! I just seen cock! Yes.
Where was it?
It went to the fucking screensaver. There was a cock!